of water and how temperature affects the change in the state of matter. Now here we have taken a Bunsen burner with a mesh and a beaker with 150 ml of water and an alcoholic thermometer where the temperature is measured in Celsius scale. Here we can see that the temperature is increasing because the water is not changing to the gaseous state. Here we can say that the heat energy produced with the Bunsen burner is absorbed by the water particles to overcome the force of attraction, and when the water overcomes the force of attraction, then it changes into gaseous state. At that time, the temperature in the thermometer remains constant. You can see that there is a change in the state of matter. Therefore, we can observe that the temperature in the thermometer is constant.